Hi everyone and welcome, and today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify store password. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your settings. Once you are there, you can see we have all of the general information in here, and you can choose to modify these. So you should be able to change your Shopify password from this section. Head over to your privacy. So you can see we have my store admin under policies. We need to click on that, my store admin. And here you can see we have all of the details. Click on security from the left side of your screen and you can create a passkey or change your password. So that's how simply you can change your password on Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.